Hi everyone, welcome to Wits Connect. Previous class discussed the addition of vectors. There are three types of addition of vectors. First one is the parallelogram law of vectors. Second one is the triangle law of vectors. Third one is the polygon law of vectors. Today the new topic is the multiplication of vectors. There are two types of multiplication of vectors. First one is the scalar product or dot product. Second one is the vector product or cross product. The first one is the dot product. If two vectors A and B are two vectors at some point C, the horizontal line. Okay, the two vectors, the dot product of two vectors are A and B are two vectors is the scalar product. A dot B equals the scalar vectors. The dot product to vectors scalar product is called scalar product. Next one is the definition of scalar product or dot product. The definition of scalar product or dot product. The dot product of two vectors A bar and B bar two vectors is equal to the product of magnitude of two vectors and cosine angle between them. The dot product of two vectors A bar dot B bar, the two vectors A bar B bar equal to the magnitude of two vectors. The product of magnitude of two vectors mod A and mod B is the two vectors of magnitude and cosine angle between them is the cos theta. This is the statement of scalar product or dot product. A and B are two vectors is equal to the product of magnitude of two vectors A bar and B bar and cosine angle between them. The properties of scalar product or dot product. The first one is the scalar product obey the commutative law. The first one is the commutative law. The two vectors A bar and B bar are two vectors. A bar dot equal B bar dot A. The commutative law obeys the scalar product. A bar dot B bar equal to B bar dot A bar. So the equal of the commutative law. Next one is the scalar product obey the distributive law. There are three vectors A bar and B bar and C bar. The distributive law A bar dot of B bar plus C bar equals A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar. This is the distributive law of the scalar product. The next one property is the two vectors are parallels. Two vectors are parallel. Therefore, the dot product of two vectors A bar dot B bar equals mod A bar mod B bar the cos theta. The parallel means the theta is equal to 0 degrees. To substitute this equation, A bar dot B bar equals mod A bar mod B bar cos 0 degrees. A bar dot B bar equals mod A bar mod B bar cos 0 degrees equal 1. Therefore a bar dot b bar equal a bar into b bar is the magnitude of the two vectors, is the maximum. A bar dot b bar equal mod a bar mod b bar into 1. So two vectors are parallel, theta equal 0 degrees. The dot product of two vectors is the maximum. The fourth one property is, if a comma b are two vectors is the perpendicular to each other. A bar and b bar, the two vectors is the perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means theta is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore the dot product of two vectors a bar dot b bar equal mod a bar mod b bar cos theta. The next one step, mod a bar plus mod a bar mod b bar, theta is equal to 90 degrees. Substituting this equation, cos 90 degrees. Mod a bar mod b bar cos 90 degrees equal to 0 into 0. Therefore a bar dot b bar equal mod a bar into mod b bar into 0. 0 into something is equal to 0. Therefore a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. Therefore the dot product of two vectors in perpendicular lines is the minimum. The next one property is a comma b are two vectors. The two vectors are opposite direction. The direction is opposite. Opposite direction means theta is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore the dot product of two vectors a bar dot b bar equal mod a bar mod b bar into cos theta. The next one step, mod a bar mod b bar cos theta. Theta is equal to 180 degrees, is the opposite direction. Cos 180 degrees. Mod a bar mod b bar, but cos 180 degrees is equal to -1. Therefore a bar dot b bar equal plus into minus 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 mod a bar mod b bar, or a bar dot b bar equal minus ab. This is the two vectors is the opposite direction. The dot product is the negative sign. The next property is, if the two vectors are equal. Two vectors are equal. So therefore a bar equal to b bar. The dot product of two vectors a bar dot b bar equal mod a bar mod b bar cos theta. But two vectors are equal, a equal b or b equal to a. Substituting this equation, a bar dot a bar equal mod a bar b is equal to a bar mod a bar theta in cos. Two vectors are equal to parallel degrees, so cos 0 degrees. Therefore mod a is equal to a into a cos 0 degrees equal to 1. A into a square. If the two vectors are equal, the dot product is equal to a square. The next property is the I bar, j bar, k bar, the unit vectors. Unit vectors. The unit vectors access the Cartesian coordinate system. X-axis, y-axis, z-axis the Cartesian coordinate system. Therefore, I dot I, j dot j, k dot k equal 1 is the important property. I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is equal to 1. Next one, I dot j, j dot k, k dot I is equal to 0. The another property. This is the important property. Repeat once again. I dot I is equal to 1. J dot j is equal to 1. K dot k is equal to 1. I dot j, j dot k, k dot I is equal to 0. The next one property is a bar is equal to ax bar I, ay bar j, az bar k. To find out the a dot a bar dot a bar equal to axi, ayj, azk. The symbol is the dot. The another one vector is the a bar. A bar means axi, ayj, azk. The multiplication property. First one axi multiplication is axi, ayj, azk. Next one plus ay into axi, ayj, azk plus azk into axi, ayj, azk. axi into axi, ayj, azk plus next one is the ayj into axi, ayj, azk. The next one plus azk into axi, ayj, azk. First multiplication of ax into ax, I dot I, ax into ax square, ax into x square, I dot I plus ax into ay, ax into ay. Second vectors I dot j plus ax into az, I into k, I dot k plus ay into j dot I, sorry ax ay plus ay into ay square, j dot j, ay square into j dot j plus ay into az, I dot k. The next one az into ax, so ax, az, k dot I plus az ay, so ay az, I dot j plus az into az square. Therefore, a square x, I dot I. Next one, j dot j, k dot k is equal 1. I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is equal 1. I dot I, j dot j, k dot k equal 1. Remaining I dot j, j dot k, k dot I equal 0. So this value equal 0, this value equal 0, this value equal 0, this one 0, this one 0, this one 0. Final answer a square x into 1 plus 0 I dot j equal 0. 0 means something 0 plus ax az into 0 plus ax ay into 0 equal to 0 plus a square y, j dot j equal to 1, ay square plus I dot k equal 0. 0 is something 0 plus 0 into something 0 plus 0, and finally k dot k is equal to 1, a z square. Therefore the two vectors are equal. A bar dot a bar equal to a square x, a square y, a square z. This is the answer of the two vectors are equal. The next property is a bar is equal to axi, ayj, azk. B bar is equal to bxi, byj, bzk. The dot product of two vectors. A bar dot b bar equal axi, ayj, azk. The dot product, it means the multiplication of, dot means multiplication of b bar equal to bxi, byj, bzk. The multiplication directly. I dot I is equal to 1. Next one, I dot j equal to 0. That answer ax into I dot I plus ax into bx. I dot I is equal, next one, sorry, ax into bx, I dot I plus ax into by, I dot j equal to 0. That write down, I dot j equal to 0. Next one, I dot k is equal to 0. Next one, ay into bx, j dot I equal to 0. Next one, j dot j equal to 1. Therefore ay plus by, j dot j. Next one, ay bz, j dot k equal to 0 plus az into bx, k dot I equal to 0. Next one, az into by, k dot j equal to 0, 0 into something equal to 0. Finally az into bz, the k dot k. Therefore ax bx, I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, k dot k is equal to 1. Finally answer a bar dot b bar equal to ax into bx plus ay into by plus az into bz. This is the answer of the dot product of two vectors a bar and b bar. The last one property. The dot product of two vectors formula a bar dot b bar equal the matrix of two vectors mod a bar and mod b bar product and cosine angle the cos theta. Okay na? To find out the cos theta equal to is the multiplication. To transform to LHS side is the division. A bar by a bar dot b bar by mod a bar mod b bar. This is the important property of the dot product.